What's up, guys? It's Jeremy Blanton here, and today I wanted to take a couple minutes and do a review of the Mount Dog 18-inch ring light. You know, we're starting to do more and more video conferencing, more and more video calls from home, and one of the things that's really important in our videos is that we have decent light. I'm actually shooting right now in one of my studios, and so I have my basic 3-point light setup, and you may not want to go and spend all the money for that. You may not want to go and get all of the equipment and have to figure out how to get it all put together, set up to use to shoot your videos. And so this is a great inexpensive option that is out there. It comes in its own portable bag that you can travel with. It comes on its own stand that you can raise. You can see I have it set right now a little low, but if I needed to, I could simply raise this up to perfect height. It comes with a mount right here in the middle that you can hook in and do any of your shots with your phone. So I could simply just grab my iPhone, stick it in here, shoot a quick video and do it. And so it's an LED light, so it's gonna last forever and has a dimmable switch on it here. So you'll see in a moment, if I reach and grab this little power button and turn it on, you can see we can just have it be kind of somewhat dim, and you'll see as we start to do this, my camera's going to want to adjust the lighting on me to do it, but you'll see we can get it and it'll be fairly bright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually flip this around on me and I'll show you a little bit more about it. Alright, so what I've done now is I've set this ring light up basically like I could mount my camera on. I didn't want to go through tearing everything apart to stick it actually in, but it's right in front of it. And I'm going to show you what it would be like if I were to use this with the other lights I have set up right now first. So check this out. So we can turn this on, and as we do, we're just going to turn on here very low to start. And I do have on, you can see even just the slightest little bit on makes a big difference. As I continue to bring up the light, that's probably about right for my face right now in this shot that I would want to have. You know, a nice light on me that does it. If needed, if I didn't have on other lights in the room, I could turn it up even more, but you can see when you start to get it all the way to max, it really washes out. Now there are some filters that they have as well. So we have the white filters on right now, covers on it. These are simple things that just click on over the cover of the LEDs, and simple to use. It also comes then with these orange ones, which, like I said, the other ones are real simple. You just grab it, pop them off here, and we'll just take these off so you can kind of see how does the orange filter work. All right, so give me a second. I'm going to switch over so you can see how does it look with these orange filters. All right, so we switched out from the white filters now over to the orange ones. Let's take a look at these. So you can see it really gives me a real warmth to my face. Even if I pull it all the way up, I look like I got a really bad sunburn. So I'm probably not going to ever use the orange filters on them, but they are there for whatever you'd want to use them for. So you can see I have my basic 3-point lighting system that I use on a regular basis still running in the background here to give me the hair light, the main different parts of it. We're going to shut all of that off so you can kind of see what would it look like if you just bought one of these and how would that help your shot. And I'm going to actually turn off everything then so you can see what it would look like with nothing versus just the ring light. So give me a second here. I'm going to go turn all those off. We're going to turn off the ring light first as well and show you what it looks like with nothing. So this is what the shot would look like with nothing but just out of the camera. You can see it's okay. The shot quality is okay. The lighting though could use some help. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put the ring light back in front. It was making some weird shadows, so I'm actually holding it off to the side right now. We're going to put it back in front and then we'll turn it on, and you can see how it's going to light up my face to allow my expressions to be seen a little bit easier, my emotions and all those things in the shot. So we'll just sit this back here. And like I said, probably full blast is going to be a little much. So we're going to turn it on just a little bit. I'll give the camera a moment to adjust. And so you can see just having this little bit helps a tremendous amount in the amount of quality of light on my face. If we wanted to, we could turn this up some more, but I would suggest if you're gonna do that, take a step or two back. So you can see if we go all the way to full blast, like that, and we're up close, we're totally washed out. But if we're a step or two back from it, it does a great job putting some light on our face and helping us to really see our emotions. When we're using our hands, they're able to be seen a little bit more than if we were back in just this shot. If we're shooting like this, you're not seeing anything that I do. It's really difficult to see when I hold up 2 fingers or when I do anything like that. So these can be a great help to your videos to give you some better quality. And as we begin to do more and more stuff with video, teleconferencing, and all those things, you might want to take a look at getting something like this. It's going to be a great help. And just so you can see a little bit of what it's like, I'm going to switch over to using it with my phone so you can see what that view looks like. It works really well when it comes to cameras on your phone. All right, so right now I have my iPhone 11 Pro in the holder, and we're using the front-facing camera, just using the normal lights in the room. They're incandescent LED. I think they're actually LED bulbs that are in here. So this is what the shot would look like without anything. But if we go and we just turn it on here, let's turn a little bit on, step back a little bit. Hey guys, it's Jeremy here. How are we doing today? You can see how it adds so much more light using even just the front-facing camera. We're going to take a second now. We'll flip it around so you can see the back-facing camera, which is even a better quality, and you're going to see how it looks. All right, so hopefully I'm actually in the shot because I can't see the camera anymore to know if I am or not. But this is what it would look like if you're using the regular camera in the holster with the ring light. I've got the intensity set to probably about half of the way up on the light. If we turn it up a little more, this is what it would look like. And you can see, this is how you would look if you use it. Now, here's a couple things that you have to watch if you're using a ring light like this with the phone. So you can see behind me right now, as I'm moving around, it's probably casting terrible amounts of shadows on the wall behind me. So if you're going to use something like this, I would highly recommend moving it away from a wall, backing it up as much as you can from it, sitting it there, and now you can see the shadows are still there, but they're not going to be quite as intense the farther you move it away. You're going to still have them. If you have something else to help break up the light, maybe set a desk lamp behind you or something, you'll be able to see it makes a great difference. I'm going to take a second here. I'm going to actually reconfigure my 3-point light system so you can see what it would look like. So by having something behind me, we should now get rid of a lot of those different shadows that are there, making this shot a lot more effective and looking a lot nicer. If I had something behind me that I could put a light on, it would be even better. But overall, guys, this Mount Dog 18-inch ring light is a great option for the price. You can pick it up on Amazon for under $100, and it's going to take your video quality up exponentially from where it currently is. I would highly recommend check it out. I'll put a link down in the description where you can go to purchase one of them, and hope you guys have an awesome day. Catch you later.